Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share information regarding 5 different recruitments. Now, day before yesterday on Sunday, I had posted 3 opportunities from HCL, one of which was for MBA. That is what you are seeing on the screen now. Okay. Now, yesterday again the same, HR. In LinkedIn they had posted 2 more opportunities for MBA freshers. Okay, so especially they had mentioned it for batches like 2021 and 2022, right? So 2 more opportunities they had mentioned. So I'll just share those 2 opportunities. Along with that, I'll share hiring by Dell Technologies, Siemens and Cognizant. So the first information that I'm going to share in this video. Now, what I had posted on Sunday for MBA freshers, that link, that apply link I have provided in the description, this description also, so you can make use of it, right? So here the job title they have mentioned is Governance, Risk and Compliance Senior Management Trainee. The location is Pan India. And so what they are expecting is MBA, PG, DBM in below mentioned streams only, right? So IT and systems, okay, so telecom and marketing, and so if you have relevant exposure or experience, okay, that will be considered, and also there, if you have a background with BTech, IT, computer science, and computer engineering, okay, so that will be good, right? So the eligibility criteria 60% and above in academics, 10th 12th UG and MBA, and there should not be any backlogs, and if you have any IT experience, that will be preferred. But as I had shown in that earlier screenshot, okay, if you are from 2021 and 2022 MBA, you can go ahead and apply for this. Okay, so the roles and responsibilities: handling pre-sales, sales, account management, SME, relationship management with external OEM partners and firms. Okay, so executing advisory and consulting projects around regulatory risk and compliances such as SOX, ITGC, PCI DSS, HIP, EAA, data privacy, etc. Right now, this is the first one. So what you have to do is you have to fill up a Microsoft Office form. Okay, so the MBA campus hiring GRC analyst, this form you have to fill up. Okay, so basically they ask for all your basic details, okay, your education details, your percentage and all that, okay, and if you have any relevant experience also, you can share that, right? So even otherwise you can apply. So as I had shown that for all these 3 MBA roles, if you are from 2021 or 2022 passed out MBA, then you can go ahead and apply for this, right? The next one is HCL hiring next gen marketing. Now this is also a pan India hiring, and for this also the eligibility criteria is 60% in 10th 12th UG and MBA. There should not be any backlogs. So for this also IT experience will be preferred, right? So roles and responsibility will be strategic programs, strategy and research, digital marketing and content marketing. So what they are expecting is if you have an MBA degree plus a bachelor's degree in engineering or business BBA or marketing with a demonstrated passion for sales and marketing, then you can apply for this. If you have a 2 to 4 years of experience in product marketing experience, etc., it's good. But even otherwise, as a fresher also, you can apply for this particular hiring. Okay. So this is next gen marketing. Now, so this is a separate form. Okay, so all the 3 different MBA hirings have 3 different forms. So if you think you are eligible for more than one opportunity also, you can fill, but 3 different forms, so you have to fill it carefully, and the forms are more or less they are very similar. Okay, so basic details, communication contact details, and then your educational qualification, and then if you experience, if you have to share that. Okay, so probably the form takes about 3 to 4 minutes to fill because they're asking a lot of details, right? So so fill the form very carefully, right? Now the next hiring is software developer off-campus fresher. Okay, so this was posted, so this is from Siemens, and this is posted in their official jobs page, right? So and this is a very recent announcement. right? So probably it was put some 3-4 days back. Okay, so software developer, off-campus fresher, the location is Bangalore, right? So they have given the job ID, etc. You can just check this. So what they're expecting is you must have a BTech in computer science or information science or IT or ECE or electrical or instrumentation or control systems only, and basic knowledge of C#, .NET, RDBMS, HTML, JS, right, and conversant with the typical software development process methodologies, analytical and good problem solving skills, passion towards testing, conceptual, communicative and socially confident, good team player, flexible, high learnability. This is what is expected, right? And so the link to apply I've given in the description below. If you are eligible and willing, just go for it. Now the next one from Dell Technologies. Now this is also an entry level hiring. The role is software engineer. Now the location is Bangalore again for this also, right? So what is given is the job description: participate in the preparation, review and evaluation of software storage requirements and specification, write code to meet predefined software requirements and specifications, follow source code and file revision controls for projects, prepare written specifications for tasks of varied complexity, use defined software lifecycle methodologies, review and implement test strategies for software products, etc. is what is given. And so essential requirements: it's the entry level position requiring basic knowledge of programming languages, operating system and databases, knowledge of server and client technologies, ability to code, debug moderately sophisticated programs using design specifications, ability to troubleshoot software reliability and performance issues, so good debugging skills, good understanding of hardware and software interactions, etc. So what is expected is computer science or equivalent, so like it means like IT, ECE and all like related can apply. And what is expected is knowledge of developing user interface applications with JavaScript, HTML5 and CSS, and ability to write code in Python or Java. So this is what is expected. So if you have the required qualifications, in terms of whatever they expect in terms of technology, if you have that, you can go ahead and apply. And the salary, like it's not, salary is not mentioned here, but both Siemens and Dell you can expect like more than like 4 lakhs. Okay, so probably even could be crossing 5 also, right? So 4.5 to 5 you can expect even at the entry level, right? So one last information. So programmer analyst trainee. Now this has been posted like some 5 days back, maybe, yeah, May 12th it was posted, so you might have come across this earlier. So what is expected is must have skills is Blue Prism and .NET 3.0, and good to have skills they have mentioned like UiPath. Now the location given here is Chennai. Okay, so Cognizant hiring programmer analyst trainee, location is Chennai, right? So the roles and responsibility. Now qualification, they have just mentioned science engineering graduate, they have not mentioned anything else specifically. So in the job specification they have given that understanding the functional aspects of client's requirement, efficient task execution, raise clarifications, issues, concern regarding work output on the lead on time, adherence to schedules and timelines, etc. right? So documentation, creating application specific reports, right? So participation calls, status reporting, all that, like. So if you are a science engineering graduate and if you have skills like .NET 3.0 or Blue Prism, right, then you can apply for this particular hiring, right? So now apart from this, if you are looking for massive hiring, so as I keep repeating, so TCS, there is a massive hiring for Ninja and Digital, and similarly Wipro Elite NTH is open, and if you are from BSc BCA, then Wipro Wilp is open, and if you are from, let's say, BCom or other streams, okay, so you have other openings from Wipro. So and also like you have the TCS BPS for arts, science and commerce graduates. So all those relevant links are also to all the massive off campus also is given in the description below, so you can click and apply if you are eligible for any of those hirings. Now I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for watching the video. Now if you like this video, click on the like button and share it with your friends who may need it. If you have any queries, please post your questions in the comment section below. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.